Hey guys, Libby here from Cider Culture, aka the Cider Queen. I am hopping on today to share some really exciting news about one of the latest cider subscription boxes to hit the scene, and that is the Northwest Cider Club. Now, the Northwest Cider Club is a quarterly subscription featuring two different tiers. Each tier includes hand-selected, coveted, very hard to find ciders from the Northwest. The Discover offers 6 ciders in that box, and that ranges from 12-ounce cans to 16.9-ounce bottles. And the elevated tier is 4 750 milliliter bottles. I have seen what's in these boxes. Guys, I'm geeking out. Like, this is some stuff that truly, I'm not just saying it, is very hard to find. And the Northwest Cider Club is going to give you access to it. Included in Discover box are 6 ciders. So the 2 that I have right here with me are Alma Cider, and this is a hopped botanical cider. And then the second is Blossom Barn Cidery, their Front Porch Perry. The other sample that I have is from the elevated box. This is from Western Cider Co. They are in Missoula, Montana. And this is their Hughes Rouge Estate cider. I am going to go ahead and give one of these a try, and I think I'm gonna do this Blossom Barn Perry. This Perry is supposed to be their crushable Perry, and we are approaching the summer months, so I'm all about a crushable cider. That is refreshing. It's not overly sweet. It's definitely fruit forward, but this is one that, I love the word crushable. I'll reuse it forever. That is a bright, crushable Perry that you could sip on all afternoon on a hot summer day. You're only gonna find it in Northwest Cider Club. Sign up by May 26th. Do not miss it. Or you're just gonna watch all of us drink it without you.